Come test drive the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, floor mats. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.